My name is Klaus.
I'm Rene.
My name is Anders.
Ricardo.
It's hard to explain with words. I'm here to participate in the journey to Ladakh.
Riding in India is something I've been dreaming of, but been a little bit scared of also.
It's a journey of a lifetime. That's the way I saw it.
The yoga practice and the men's circling, that all brings a sense of unity to the group that I really enjoy.
It's been quite a journey.
It's fabulous and it gives me taste for more. The riding in twisting small roads and magnificent views made a big impact. And the joy of riding. You won't regret it. It's an unforgettable experience.
I'm really back into my peace and my center now.
I'm never gonna forget the time that we spent here.
We have so much open road.
I'll bring this experience to my family and loved ones, and they make me think that I'm capable of doing other things like this.
It is the journey of a lifetime. Period.